the stars fill the sky. He knew me. I was already held in his love. Yeah. Even before the world began, his devotion reaches into eternity, like a flame that never fades, never fades. He is the vine, we are the branches. We abide in him, we abide in him. He is Jesus, he will leave the 99 for me. He is Jesus, he will calm the wind and the waves for me. He is Jesus.